The word kiwi often brings to mind the image of something small, brown, fuzzy, and found in the produce section of your local supermarket. But the kiwi is not a fruit. That's kiwi fruit, which is native to Eastern Asia. About the size of a chicken, the kiwi is a small, flightless, and nearly wingless bird found only in New Zealand. Like its larger cousins, the cassowary, emu, ostrich, and rhea, the kiwi is classified as a ratite. Most birds have a special ridge on their sternum called a keel, where flight muscles attach. But ratites don't need keels because they don't fly. Scientists thought for many years that the kiwi's closest relative was another ratite called a moa, an extinct bird that was also native to New Zealand. However, recent genetic studies have shown that Africa's ostrich is related to the moa, while the kiwi is more closely related to Madagascar's extinct elephant bird. The kiwi, with its peculiar appearance, resembles a hairy pear. Its small wings are useless, hidden beneath feathers, and it lacks a tail. Strong legs make up a third of its body weight, aiding in running and defense. With 4 toes on each foot, it moves silently through forests. Despite its size, it can outrun humans and has mammal-like features such as thick skin and heavy bones. The kiwi digs burrows instead of building a nest. Its feathers are long, loose, and hair-like, and it has modified feathers that serve as whiskers on its face and around the base of its beak. The kiwi also has a relatively low body temperature, 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius, that is much more like a mammal than a bird. Habitat of kiwi birds. The kiwi, a flightless bird native to New Zealand, inhabits a diverse range of habitats, primarily found in native forests, scrublands, and grasslands throughout the country's North and South Islands. These elusive birds prefer dense, undergrowth-filled forests, where they can forage for their main diet of insects, worms, and fruits under the cover of night. Kiwis are also known to occupy subalpine areas and even some farmland regions, adapting to various environments within their native range. Their nocturnal nature and secretive behavior make them challenging to spot in the wild, often relying on their keen sense of smell and excellent hearing to navigate their surroundings and avoid predators such as stoats and cats. Diet of kiwi bird. The kiwi bird has a primarily carnivorous diet, feeding on a variety of invertebrates such as insects, worms, spiders, and small crustaceans found in the forest floor. They also consume fallen fruits, berries, and seeds opportunistically. With their long, slender beaks and nostrils located at the tip, kiwis can probe into the soil and leaf litter, sniffing out their prey using their acute sense of smell. This unique feeding behavior allows them to extract food from underground or hidden locations, making the most of their habitat's resources. Due to their nocturnal lifestyle, kiwis are most active at night, using their excellent hearing and tactile senses to locate and capture prey in the darkness. Life cycle of kiwi. The life cycle of the kiwi bird is fascinating and unique among avian species. Kiwis have a relatively long lifespan, often reaching 30 years or more in the wild. It all begins with the egg. Kiwi eggs are among the largest of all bird species relative to body size. The female kiwi typically lays just 1 egg per clutch, though some species may lay up to 3. The egg is large, taking up a significant portion of the female's body cavity. Incubation is usually carried out by the male, who is equipped with a specialized incubation patch on his abdomen to keep the egg warm. After an incubation period ranging from around 70 to 80 days, depending on the species, the egg hatches and a tiny, fluffy kiwi chick emerges. Unlike many bird species, kiwi chicks are precocial, meaning they are relatively mature and mobile soon after hatching. They are covered in down feathers and able to move around their nesting site within a few days of hatching. The first few weeks of a kiwi chick's life are critical, as they are vulnerable to predation by introduced mammals such as stoats and cats. The male parent typically remains with the chick for several weeks, providing protection and guidance as it learns to forage for food. As the chick grows, it undergoes a series of molts, gradually replacing its down feathers with adult plumage. Kiwis reach sexual maturity at around 3 to 5 years of age, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Once mature, kiwis engage in courtship rituals, which may involve elaborate calls and displays. After mating, the female typically lays another egg, starting the cycle anew. Throughout their lives, kiwis play important roles in their ecosystems as seed dispersers and soil aerators, helping to maintain the health and diversity of New Zealand's forests. However, they face numerous threats, including habitat loss, introduced predators, and human disturbance, which have led to declines in many kiwi populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique birds and ensure their survival for future generations. From its unique appearance to its intriguing behaviours and life cycle, the kiwi is truly a remarkable creature worth learning about. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Safari Saga channel for more captivating wildlife content. Until next time in Safari Saga.